Hello Bells, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I constructed this lovely wig using some bundles from my hair collection and a lace closure. So let's get right into the video. So what we're going to need first is the thread and sewing needle, the lace closure. We need some scissors, some clips, and some pins to hold the cap down. And we are using 5 bundles of crowned Belle's hair today. So I'm starting off by just pinning down the lace closure onto the wig cap. I'm going to leave details of the cap that I'm using in the description bar below. So I start off by pinning down the lace closure, and I'm gonna just sew it right down onto the cap. So I'm using this method where I basically just wrap the thread around the needle so that it locks it into place. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, so that's literally it. I just continue to sew the closure all around the front. So here is what the pattern looks like. You can tell that it is gonna be secure, honey. Like, this closure is not going anywhere. I really like the threading pattern of this. It's very neat, and it's definitely gonna assure our wig and our closure is not shifting anywhere. So I opted out of bleaching the lace closure because I didn't make the time to run to the store and get the bleaching powder and developers. So I'm just going to use a different method to make sure that it blends in with my scalp, which I'm going to show you guys later on. So now I am just showing you how I'm beginning to sew. I poked the needle through the ends of the hair, so I'm actually going to be doubling the wefts to sew because 5 bundles is a lot and it's just going to take so much time to sew it row by row. So I'm doubling it to start with. So basically just starting at the bottom of the cap and just sewing my way all the way around till I get to the top. This is really simple, so if this is your first time making a wig, I hope this is simple to follow. You're literally just gonna be sewing down the hair. It might be difficult at first, but girl, you get it. So yeah, just sewing it underneath the wefts and then through the cap. Make sure not to sew directly through the wefts for the lengths of the bundles because you don't want to induce any unnecessary shedding of the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna sew around, and I'm doing the flip over method when I get to the end of the bundle instead of cutting it. So right here I'm just showing you how I end it at the end of the bundle. I just sew it underneath the wefts and through the wig cap. Very simple. So let's play some music, you know, just listen to some music while I'm sewing. We're almost done. We're getting there. So now I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do once I reach the lace closure. I just cut a section of the bundle and I'm gonna just sew it around that perimeter of the closure so it fits a little bit seamless. So after that, I'm just gonna cut out the cap from underneath the lace and cut off the lace. And to blend the lace, as I mentioned before, I just take my Fenty Beauty foundation and I pump it at the back of my hand. I already did this, so I'm just demonstrating what I did. Use a brush and then just dab it on the inside of the lace, and here we are, all done. I really love how smooth and just lustrous, is that even a word? Just there's just so much luster in this hair. It moves when you say move. Like, girl, I really love this hair and I really love the length of it.
Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Hey, no freezer challenge, even though we late, but it's alright. It's alright. So yeah, honey, no unnecessary shedding. I'm gonna have a video coming up talking more about this hair, so make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss out on that video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to wear your crown with confidence. See you in my next video. Bye!